Welcome to Top Cars TV. The 2026 Harley-Davidson Iron 883 represents more than just a motorcycle. It's a statement of attitude, heritage, and freedom. Since its debut, the Iron 883 has been one of Harley's most iconic models, known for its raw simplicity, compact design, and unmistakable street presence. The 2026 edition continues that legacy but with a refreshed spirit, blending the classic soul of Harley-Davidson with modern engineering and performance upgrades that make it more thrilling and accessible than ever before. At first glance, the Iron 883 still carries its signature dark, muscular look. The matte black finish, low stance, and aggressive lines all scream rebellion. However, Harley has refined the design with more attention to detail, a sleeker LED lighting, upgraded digital instrumentation, and subtle chrome accents that add sophistication without losing the bike's rugged charm. The teardrop fuel tank remains, featuring fresh new color options and minimalist graphics that give the bike a bolder yet timeless personality. Under the hood, the 2026 Iron 883 gets a major boost. Harley-Davidson has upgraded the heart of the beast with a next-generation Revolution air-cooled V-twin engine. This refined power plant delivers smoother torque delivery and enhanced throttle response while maintaining the distinctive rumble every Harley rider craves. Riders will feel the punch of the 883cc engine in every twist of the throttle, offering a balanced blend of city maneuverability and highway strength. One of the biggest improvements for 2026 is the introduction of lighter weight materials and enhanced suspension geometry. Harley engineers have worked to reduce overall weight and increase ride comfort, making the Iron 883 more agile and stable. The suspension system has been retuned to handle urban bumps with more control, while cornering feels tighter and more predictable than ever before. Paired with upgraded dual-disc brakes and advanced ABS technology, the Iron 883 provides confidence-inspiring stopping power to match its performance. Inside the cockpit, the 2026 Iron 883 brings in a subtle layer of modern tech without compromising its old-school charm. The minimalist single-gauge cluster now features a digital display that includes fuel range, gear indicator, and ride information. Bluetooth connectivity is optional, allowing riders to pair their smartphones for navigation and music. But Harley smartly keeps the experience analog enough to preserve the Iron 883's raw character. Comfort has also been refined. The new solo seat design sits lower, providing better reach for riders of all sizes, while the mid-mounted controls give a natural, commanding riding position. Every aspect of the bike feels more ergonomic, letting riders go longer distances without fatigue. Ultimately, the 2026 Harley-Davidson Iron 883 is a perfect blend of nostalgia and innovation. It respects the brand's rebellious roots while pushing forward into the future with cleaner design, better performance, and smart technology. It's not just a motorcycle, it's an experience that connects the past and present of riding culture. For those who crave authenticity and attitude on two wheels, the Iron 883 remains one of the most compelling choices on the road, a true modern classic reborn for a new generation of riders.